Welcome. In this video, you'll meet the 30 most influential founding fathers of the United States. George Washington was the leading founding father of the United States and the commander of the Continental Army during the American Revolution. He helped win independence from Britain, presided over the Constitutional Convention, and became the first U.S. president. Washington established key traditions of leadership, restraint, and national unity that shaped the Republic forever for all generations. Benjamin Franklin was one of the most versatile founding fathers of the United States. A writer, inventor, diplomat, and political thinker, he helped unite the colonies during the Revolution and secured crucial French support against Britain. Franklin also signed the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution, helping shape the birth, survival, and early direction of the American Republic always.
It is done.
Gouverneur Morris was a major founding father of the United States and a leading voice at the Constitutional Convention. He supported a strong national government and helped shape the final text of the Constitution. Morris is widely credited with drafting much of its language, including the famous phrase, "We the people," expressing the idea of one united American nation. His words define the Republic. Alexander Hamilton was one of the most influential founding fathers of the United States. A Revolutionary War officer and gifted political thinker, he defended the Constitution through the Federalist Papers and became the first Secretary of the Treasury. Hamilton built the nation's early financial system, strengthened federal power, and helped shape the future of the American Republic for the futures. Thomas Jefferson was a leading founding father of the United States and the main author of the Declaration of Independence. His words gave lasting expression to liberty, equality, and natural rights. Jefferson later became the third president, expanded the nation through the Louisiana Purchase, and helped shape the identity, ideals, and direction of the early American Republic. For generations to come, John Adams was one of the most important founding fathers of the United States. A fierce supporter of independence, he defended the colonial cause in Congress and worked abroad to secure key alliances during the Revolution. Adams later became the first vice president and second president, helping guide the young republic through its difficult, uncertain, and dangerous early years. With courage, firmly. James Madison was one of the central founding fathers of the United States and is often called the father of the Constitution. He played a major role in designing the structure of the federal government and later helped write the Bill of Rights. Madison also co-authored the Federalist Papers and became the fourth president, shaping the legal foundations of the American Republic for generations ahead. John Jay was a founding father of the United States who played a major role in diplomacy, law, and government. He helped negotiate the Treaty of Paris, which ended the Revolutionary War, and co-wrote the Federalist Papers in support of the Constitution. Jay later became the first Chief Justice, helping establish the authority, stability, and credibility of the new federal judicial system. Roger Sherman was a key founding father of the United States and one of the few men to sign the Declaration of Independence, the Articles of Confederation, and the Constitution. At the Constitutional Convention, he helped create the Great Compromise, balancing the interests of large and small states and shaping the structure of the new American government for the nation. His influence remained strong. James Wilson was one of the most important legal minds among the founding fathers of the United States. At the Constitutional Convention, he strongly supported a powerful national government and argued that political authority comes from the people. Wilson later helped shape early American law and became one of the first justices of the United States Supreme Court in history. His influence was lasting. George Mason was an influential founding father of the United States and a strong defender of individual rights. He helped inspire the ideas behind the Bill of Rights and argued that liberty needed clear legal protection. Although he refused to sign the Constitution, his warnings about centralized power shaped the future of American freedom and constitutional debate for years. His role was important. Charles Cotesworth Pinckney was a soldier, diplomat, and founding father of the United States from South Carolina. He fought in the Revolutionary War and later took part in the Constitutional Convention. Pinckney supported a stronger federal government and helped represent Southern interests during the creation of the new American political system and its early structure. His influence remained strong. Edmund Randolph was an important founding father of the United States and a leading voice at the Constitutional Convention. He introduced the Virginia Plan, which became the basis for the structure of the new federal government. Randolph later served as the first U.S. Attorney General and helped organize the early national administration of the young American Republic with care. His role was important. Oliver Ellsworth was a founding father of the United States and a major contributor to the Constitution. At the Constitutional Convention, he helped shape the Connecticut Compromise, balancing representation between large and small states. Ellsworth later became Chief Justice and helped establish the authority and structure of the early federal judiciary of the new republic. His example still mattered. George Wythe was a respected founding father of the United States, known for his legal wisdom and devotion to Republican ideals. He supported independence, signed the Declaration of Independence, and helped educate future leaders such as Thomas Jefferson. Wythe's influence on American law, liberty, and civic thought made him an important figure in the nation's founding period. John Langdon was a merchant, patriot, and founding father of the United States from New Hampshire. He supported the American Revolution, helped finance the war effort, and later took part in the Constitutional Convention. Langdon also promoted ratification of the Constitution and served in national office, helping strengthen the political foundations of the early republic. Nathaniel Gorham was a founding father of the United States and an experienced political leader from Massachusetts. He served in the Continental Congress and later joined the Constitutional Convention, where he supported the creation of a stronger national government. Gorham helped guide the young republic during a critical period of constitutional change and national uncertainty. His work was lasting. John Rutledge was a founding father of the United States and a powerful political leader from South Carolina. He played an important role at the Constitutional Convention, where he helped shape debates over executive power and the structure of government. Rutledge later served in major judicial offices, helping build the authority of the early American Republic and its legal system. His legacy endured. Pierce Butler was a founding father of the United States who represented South Carolina at the Constitutional Convention. He supported a strong national government and took an active part in debates that shaped the final Constitution. Butler later served as a U.S. Senator and helped guide the early political life of the new American Republic with steady influence and public service. His impact endured. James McHenry was a founding father of the United States who served as a physician, soldier, and political leader during the Revolutionary era. He attended the Constitutional Convention and supported a stronger federal government. McHenry later became U.S. Secretary of War and helped organize the military structure of the young American Republic in its early years of growth. His service remained vital. Jared Ingersoll was a founding father of the United States and an important legal figure of the early Republic. He attended the Constitutional Convention, supported ratification, and later defended federal authority in major legal cases. Ingersoll helped shape the constitutional and judicial foundations of the nation through law, public service, and political leadership. Richard Bassett was a founding father of the United States from Delaware who supported independence and later signed the Constitution. He helped promote ratification of the new government and served in early national politics. Bassett later became a U.S. Senator and worked to strengthen the institutions and stability of the young American Republic through public service. His service shaped the nation. Gunning Bedford Jr. was a founding father of the United States from Delaware who attended the Constitutional Convention. He strongly defended the rights of smaller states and argued for protections within the new federal system. Bedford later served as a federal judge and helped establish the authority and structure of the early legal system of the American Republic. His role helped guide the Republic. Jonathan Dayton was a founding father of the United States and one of the youngest delegates at the Constitutional Convention. A veteran of the Revolutionary War, he supported the Constitution and later became Speaker of the House of Representatives. Dayton helped shape the early political direction of the Republic through leadership, service, and ambition in its formative years and early growth. Alway. William Livingston was a founding father of the United States and a strong supporter of independence from Britain. As governor of New Jersey during the Revolution, he helped lead the state through war and later supported the Constitution. Livingston contributed to the stability and strength of the young American Republic through steady leadership and patriotic public service in dangerous times. Always.
So let it be written.
George Clymer was a founding father of the United States who supported independence and the creation of a new national government. He signed both the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution, making him one of the most important patriots of the era. Clymer helped establish the political foundations of the Republic through dedicated service and commitment in its earliest years of statehood. Alwa. Thomas Mifflin was a founding father of the United States and a political leader of the Revolutionary era. He served in the Continental Army, took part in the Constitutional Convention, and later became governor of Pennsylvania. Mifflin helped support the new Constitution and played an important role in guiding state and national leadership during the Republic's early years of uncertainty and change. Robert Morris was a founding father of the United States and a crucial financial leader of the Revolution. He helped fund the Continental Army, stabilize the wartime economy, and support the fight for independence. Morris later signed the Constitution and played a major role in shaping the financial foundations of the new American Republic through vision, credit, and public service in national crisis. Thomas Fitzsimons was a founding father of the United States from Pennsylvania. A merchant, soldier, and public servant, he supported independence during the Revolution and later signed the Constitution. Fitzsimons helped strengthen the new federal government and contributed to the development of early American financial and commercial policy through steady service in public affairs. with dedication. Abraham Baldwin was a founding father of the United States who represented Georgia at the Constitutional Convention. He helped shape debates over representation between large and small states and supported the final Constitution. Baldwin later served in Congress and worked to strengthen the political foundations of the young American Republic through national service and leadership, with influence today. The founding fathers of the United States were the men who helped turn a group of colonies into a new and independent nation. Through war, political struggle, and intense debate, they laid the foundations of a country that would grow into one of the most influential states in the world. Their importance lies not only in winning independence from Britain, but in what they built afterward. They created the basic framework of American government, shaped the principles of national leadership, and helped establish a system designed to survive far beyond their own lifetimes. Their work gave the United States its first structure, its first direction, and its first sense of national identity. These men were not all the same. They came from different colonies, had different views, and often disagreed with one another. But despite those differences, they were able to unite around the idea that a new nation needed laws, institutions, and shared political principles strong enough to hold it together. They helped produce the documents that became the foundation of the American Republic, including the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution of the United States. Those texts expressed ideas that would define the country for generations: liberty, representation, the rule of law, limited government, and the belief that political power should be rooted in the people rather than inherited through monarchy. The Founding Fathers were valued not only as revolutionaries but as builders. They did not simply break away from the old system. They created a new one. They formed the structure of government, shaped early national policy, and set traditions that influenced how the United States would function in its earliest and most fragile years. Their legacy remains powerful because the system they helped create endured. It faced conflict, division, expansion, and crisis. Yet the Oche foundations they built continued to guide the nation forward. In that sense, their influence reached far beyond the 18th century. That is why the Founding Fathers still hold such an important place in American history. They were the generation that gave birth to the United States, defined its earliest ideals, and set the nation on a path that would shape the future of America for centuries to come.